In this video, we will learn how to upload HTML file to WordPress website. By following this method, you can upload HTML verification file to your WordPress website. Most of the time HTML file uploading become necessary for submitting your website to Google Search Console, SSL installation, etc. In this case, we are in the Google Search Console, which is asking us to upload a HTML file to our website. So this is our website, where we will upload the HTML file. Firstly, I used to use cPanel File Manager for completing this task. But when I found a different method, I no longer use cPanel for this. Today, I will show that method to you. First, log in to your website. Then install a new plugin. Search Filester. This is the plugin. Remember the logo. Install and activate that. After activating, you will see a new option here named File Manager. Click here. You will see this interface. Now we will upload the HTML file. Go back to the HTML file. Download it. Download complete. Here you will see this upload button. Click on here. Select Files. Look, the file is uploaded. But one thing you must see, if they say to upload the HTML file to the root directory like this, then follow my uploading process. But if they ask to upload in domain.com/wp-admin, then go to this folder and upload that file. So, our uploading is completed. Let's verify it. Yes, they are saying the HTML file is found on our website. The verification is complete. This amazing plugin works exactly like the cPanel File Manager. You can delete any file with a few clicks. You can also browse all the folders and files with this same plugin. If you need to edit any file, then just right-click on the particular file, and you will see the edit option. I prefer to use the ACE editor. Here you can edit or add the desired code. After editing, use the Save and Close options. Or you can use this cross button for cancellation. So, this is the method of how to upload HTML file to WordPress website easily. If you have any questions on this, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.